Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to read and type in Chinese in under 10 minutes. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is head on over to google.com and type in Chrome Web Store, or you can just head over to the Chrome Web Store by its own URL. I had it up already. So once you're there, you're going to want to click on the search extensions bar here and type in Google Input Tools. Click that, it'll be the first one. You're going to want to click that one. And right now, as of now, this video releasing, it looks like this. This is the one that you'll want. You're going to just click over Add to Chrome. So click Add Extension, and then that'll add it there for you. Right now it's just checking. There you go, it's added. Then you're going to want to head on back, get the search bar back up, and then type in Cantonese pop-up dictionary. So there it is, click that. It'll be the first one here, it looks like that once again. It's this red one here, and you're going to want to add that one to Chrome as well. So we'll add extension, and it's been added. So once you're done with adding those two, you're going to want to navigate over to your extensions button. It looks like this puzzle piece here. You're going to want to click that, navigate over to both the Google Input Tools and Cantonese Pop-Up Dictionary, and you're going to want to press pin on both of those. That just makes that more accessible because it'll be there up on the bar so that you can turn them on and off as you please. Once you've done that, click off this little pop-up, and you're going to want to navigate over to Google Input Tools. So we'll click that and then click extension options. So once we click that, you can see that there's a whole bunch of language options, which is great if you speak more than one language or you want to learn more than one language. But for now, let's just focus on Cantonese. So we'll navigate over to Cantonese. What you want to do is click it and then click this middle arrow button here to bring it over to this side. And what you want to also do is add this one here where it says Chinese Hong Kong, and this one here, Guangdonghua. Not this one, not the Yuping, you want the Guangdonghua one. So add that one here. Again, press that middle button. Now if you add something else by accident, let's say with this one, and you don't want it, all you need to do is click it from this side here and bring it over by pressing that arrow in the middle again. So that's it. And you can also rearrange the order of how these show up here. But that's all for Google Input Tools. Now to see it in action, you'll want to head on over to something like a Google Sheet. Google Sheets is great. If you have Gmail, you can use that to kind of get a spreadsheet up so you can copy paste characters, and then in another column you can put notes or descriptions or anything you want. I find it's really useful for language learning. So for this to work, if it doesn't work, what you'll want to do is just refresh the page if you had it open from before, and you'll want to click the extension Google Input Tools and click that first one there. That first one there is for being able to input Cantonese using romanization from the keyboard. And the second one here with the little pen tool is for being able to write the Chinese character out using your mouse or using a tablet, and it will then pick up the computer character for you for kind of typing that in if you don't know how to pronounce that character. So both are very handy. But today I'll just be showing you this one here. We'll click it, and then we'll click inside one of our columns here, and we'll start typing. So let's say ngõ, which is I, ngõ. Oh, there you go. And as you can see, a bunch of different characters that are similar to that romanization will come up, and you can see there's loads you can kind of shuffle through if you can't find that right character. So great, we know the first one that we want to use is number 1, so we'll just type the number 1 key and it'll come up, and we can continue writing. Hi, and try again. Ga la dai. And what's cool about them, this program, this extension, is that you can add more than one character, and it'll sometimes pick it all up for that sentence. So for this one, it's picked up Canadian, as you can see there. Ga la dai. So there you go. Now you can type in Chinese. Pretty cool. What I want to show you next is actually that other extension that we added, the Cantonese pop-up dictionary. So if we click it, you can see that it's been enabled. And when we head on over to our column, for regular websites, this will work if you just kind of hover your mouse over, but for Google Sheets, you'll want to click inside that column, and then whenever you hover your mouse over that character, you can see that it's come up with the romanization and the definition. So I find that this pop-up dictionary uses a new Yale romanization, which is Yale with tone numbers, so it's kind of like a mix between Yale and Yuping. I find it really easy to understand, but for those of you that are coming from Yuping, it doesn't take too much to kind of get used to. It's makes quite sense just because the tone numbers are the same. So as you can see, ngõ, hai, ga, na, dai, yan, there, right there for you. So yeah, that's about it. This one's super handy for if you want to, like, let's say head on over to Wikipedia, and again, if we refresh this page, you can see that if I hover over, it'll give me the definition of this word, and you can also see that it gives you the definition of just that first character there if you just want to know what it is by itself. I find it really, really useful, and then you can kind of start learning on your own. You want to read this article, you can slowly go through it, you know. You can see that what the characters, how they're pronounced, and what the meaning is. So, and even like with this example, you can see this first character has different types of pronunciation depending on where it's used and what usage it has. You can see repeat, heavy, important. They'll all have a different way of pronouncing this character. So I find that super handy. Now, if you want to get rid of this pop-up and you're like, what's going on? Why is everything popping up? Just easy enough. Head back up to your extensions, click it again, it'll go gray. Same with this one. Click this one again so that you can type normally, and there you go. Alright guys, I hope this tutorial really helped you guys out. I find it super useful for myself in my own learning to be able to read and type Chinese characters on my computer. So if this video is helpful for you, please give me a like and subscribe for more. I think my next video I'm going to be showing you how to read and type in Mandarin Chinese on your computer. So stay tuned for that if you want to see more, and leave me a comment below if you want to see any other video suggestions. Thanks for sticking around. I'll catch you guys next time.